In our gardens, there is a plant that in many countries can be considered as a non-beneficial herb, and it is not. This plant actually has great health benefits for each of us. Here we will show you which ones. This plant is known by purslane. Do you know it? It is also known as Portulaca oleracea, and mostly considered as a non-beneficial herb. It is of Indian origin. This plant is commonly eaten by pigs and cattle. It has omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A. It also has high levels of calcium, iron, vitamin B, riboflavin, magnesium, calcium and antioxidant powers. They have a life of up to 40 years and develop in different soils and climates. This plant is used mostly as a laxative, diuretic and antihelmintic. The purslane improves intestinal transit, increasing the number of stools in quantity and quality. It also helps strengthen your immune system, so it tends to prevent you from possible diseases. After having known its many benefits, we will show you the different ways of eating it without losing its nutrients and components. Take note. Infusion. Place a tablespoon of the fresh plant in a cup of boiling water. Drink about 3 cups daily, distributed in the respective meals. External use, applied topically on wounds, boils, abscesses. Preparing a more concentrated infusion than the previous one. Raw grass. As if it were any known vegetable. We can taste it or taste any delicious dish. With this, we will benefit from its medicinal virtues while enjoying an exquisite meal. The recommendation we give you is to carefully wash the leaves.